Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to mute yourself or others in Google Meet whether you are on the phone or the computer. To mute yourself, tap or click the microphone icon on the if you open the Google Meet and join a class. Then at the class you will see the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen or in the desktop. You can also press Ctrl plus D on Windows, and in Mac Command plus D as a shortcut. Then mute other host. If you are the host, you can mute participant. Click people, find the participant and click the microphone icon next to their name. This prevents background noise during the meeting. To unmute yourself, simply tap the microphone icon again. On desktop, the same keyboard shortcut works. Make sure your mic is connected properly if it's not working. And remember, you can temporarily unmute by holding the space bar on desktop. This is useful for quick comments without fully unmuting. And that's it. Now you know how to unmute and unmute in Google Meet. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more easy quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.